seated on your bed, sweep your arms up over your head, look up at your fingertips, and gently bring the hands back down. Again, inhale, reach the arms up, lift up. Exhale, lower the arms down, nice and smooth. Inhale, reach up through the nose. Exhale, out through the nose. One more time. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. And exhale, let's lean over to the side. Left arm overhead, and let's switch over to the other side. Bending all the way from the hip over to the fingertips, over to the right side. Inhale. And exhale over to the left. Inhale, return to center. Come up onto your knees, and we're going to go into a child's pose and reach the arms out over to the right side of you. Open the left shoulder up towards the sky, lower back down. Open up the left side of the torso up towards the sky, lower back down. Switch over to the other side for a nice thoracic twist and stretch, opening up the right shoulder up towards the sky, lower down, stretching all the way from the hip to the fingertips with this nice side bend stretch. Lift all the way up, back to the center. Grab a hold of your hands behind you for a nice chest and shoulder stretch, really releasing everything. Let the neck open up and then the neck draw down. Releasing the neck and lowering it down. And then take a few gentle circles with the head. Release the clasp. Come onto a seated position. Left foot is going to be out to the side, and take a nice side stretch over to your left foot. Right foot is just towards the inside of your left leg. And lift back into the center again. Exhale, nice side bend, opening up the inner thighs, the legs, the sides of the waist, the arms, the shoulders, the low back. And then go ahead and turn your torso towards your front of your knee and bring your forehead towards your knee. Lower down and relax into the leg. And breathe deeply in and out through the nose and lift on up. Inhale, and let's repeat on the other side. Stretch out the right leg. Bring the left foot into the inside of your right foot and sweep the arms over to the side. Back up again, waking up the body, inhaling and breathing in and out through the nose, connecting with yourself and your body, appreciating your beautiful gorgeous body, and then turn your torso towards your knee, bring your forehead down towards your knee, breathing in and out through the nose, and welcoming your brand new day. Take out both of the legs so we're in a nice wide straddle here. Reach the arms up towards the sky, flex the toes, and go ahead and fold yourself forward. If this is too deep for you, you could always place a few pillows underneath your belly here to support you in this nice big deep stretch. Go ahead and relax down into it, breathing in and out through the nose. Come on up. Smiling is always helpful as you welcome a new day with positivity and love. Bring the soles of your feet together as we open up our inner thighs and hips. Reach the arms forward. Inhale and exhale as you lower down towards your bed, allowing yourself to relax. At the same time, connecting with your body and beginning to energize through your entire body. Come on up into a low lunge position. Press into the hips and then press the hips back. Opening up the low back, the hips, the legs, the feet. Inhale as you lunge forward, and then exhale as you lean it back into your half splits pose. Really nice and easy and gentle. Let's move over to the other side. Lower down into your low lunge. Make sure that that knee is over that front ankle, and then back again. Let's go into a seated position. Inhale, reach up, and exhale as we fold forward in our long-legged forward fold. As we wake up our spine, wake up our legs, inhale and exhale. So that's why these aren't long holds. We're moving in and out of them gently to wake up the body, connect, ground, and energize for our beautiful day ahead of us. Inhale, lift all the way up, and you are all done. I hope you have an amazing